Hello, I'm Edward Hartley, and I'm doing an instructional video on how to make your computer a little more safer and a little bit more secure. First thing we're going to do is right click on Start, click on Run, type in, start right here for me, Net, N-E-T-P-L-W-I-Z, and then click OK. And what that's going to do is this makes a secure login screen where you have to enter, like at RCC, where you have to push Control Alternate Delete, and what that does is it keeps other software or keylogin software from imitating your login screen and stealing your password. So after that screen here pops up, click on the Advanced tab and make sure you have a check mark down here where it says require users to press Control Alternate Delete. Alright, here I'll read this little statement here for you. Secure sign-in. For added security, you can require users to press Control Alternate Delete before signing in. This guarantees that the authentic Windows sign-in screen appears, preventing the system from programs that mimic a sign-in to retrieve password info. Alright, now the next thing I want to do is tell you about a program that I use all the time to remember all your passwords. You know how they say never use words that are in the dictionary, alternate between small and large caps, use symbols, and most of all, don't use words that can be found in the dictionary. It's easy to hack them. They can be done within a couple minutes. Alright, the program that I always like to use is called LastPass. You don't have to install the program on your computer. I did though. But you can sign in off of any browser at lastpass.com, and it stores all your passwords for you. So you don't have to remember any passwords except for the one to sign into LastPass. Now LastPass is encrypted and it's secure. Also, it will generate, and click up here, it will generate passwords for you, and this is how your password will look that it generates for you, that you don't want to remember nothing like that. Or you can go in here and make it as long as possible. A lot of websites won't allow you to have a 100-character password, but that's what these are sample passwords that it would generate for a website that you're trying to create or change your password on. Alright, now let's see here, get out of there. The next thing I want to show you is the user account control. I'm sure you have seen those little windows pop up saying UAC, and what it's doing is it's warning you about changes that are being made on your system. Now the best thing you can do is to have your UAC enabled and have it all the way up on the settings. Otherwise, viruses can make system settings, and anybody can go on there and inadvertently make a system setting without even knowing it. What this does is it'll make a noise when it pops up the UAC box, and it'll let you know, hey, something's changing in the system. Are you sure that's what you want to do? You need to have that on, because a lot of viruses will try to do that behind the scenes without you knowing it. And if there's a box that pops up and you're not doing nothing, that you would be making no system changes or installing any software, you know, hey, something's funny, click no on there. So go to the search bar, this is Windows 10, and type in UAC. Right now, a UAC box just popped up on my screen, but for some reason, either Bandicam or Windows is not allowing it to show. I got to click yes. And then here we are, user account control settings. What I was saying about make sure you have that slider all the way up to always notify you. This it notifies you when apps are trying to install software or make changes to your computer, or if you want to make changes to Windows settings. Always have that all the way up. That way a virus can't. My UAC just popped up again. I'm going to click OK. I can't really show you anything with the UAC, being that it's not, something's not letting it show up on here anyways. Another thing I always like to do is run 360 total internet security. I'm going over my time a little bit here, which is a free antivirus software. It has a sandbox in it. If you install a program that you're a little iffy on, and you don't really trust it, you can run in a sandbox, which comes complete with Internet 360. Always remember, keep your firewall on or enabled. Always run virus scans at least once a week. Keep your Windows updated. Keep your antivirus updated. And I hope you have a safer, more enjoyable time on your computer. Thank you.